Hello everyone, I am Aman Kumar Gupta and my project partner is Jignesh Thakkar. We are MCA students from Vishkarma University, Pune. Today we are going to present our Power BI dashboard project Electric Vehicle Dashboard 2024. We will explore how prepare the data in Excel, create insights in Power BI and presented the result through a PowerPoint report. Let's start it with the data set. I downloaded it from Kaggle. It's called the electrical vehicle population dataset. It includes the model, manufacturer, electrical range, CFBAB eligibility, and vehicle types, whether BEF, and PHEV. I clean the data in Excel by removing empty rows, fixing columns names, and checking the data types. This step helps ensure accurate visualization later in Power BI. After the cleaning data, I imported it into Power BI and starting building visualization. Here is the final dashboard. It is a single page summary of the entire EV landscape. At the top, at the top, you can see the total vehicle 1,50,000 and the average electric range 67.83 miles. The vehicle types splits shows BEVs at 78% and PHEVs 22%. Meaningful electrical vehicles dominate in the market. Next, the model year 10 clearly show a massive growth, especially in 2020, which record around 37,000 vehicles. This marks a major shift toward electric mobility. Over here, the geographical map show EV distribution with California and Washington leading in adoptions. If we look, if we, if we look at the vehicle by manufacturer chart, Tesla stands for ahead with the around 69,000 vehicles, provide it market dominance. Finally, the CAFB eligibility chart shows that around 46.33 of EVs are eligible for clean fuel programs, meaning there are rooms to improve awareness that streamline the eligibility process. Now, my partner Jignesh Thakkar will take you through the PowerPoint presentation where he all explain the key findings, insights, and recommendations based on this dashboard. Over to you, Jignesh. Thank you.
Hello, myself Jignesh Thakkar. This is PPT presentation video on topic Electric Vehicle Dashboard 2024. It's Electric Vehicle Dashboard 2024 Insights from Power BI Analysis. The future of greenlier driving. Welcome to EV Dashboard. The presentation provides key insights from our Power BI analysis on the current EV market. It explores adoption trend, market leaders, and policies. The acceleration adoption model year trends 45,000 from 15,000 from the year 2015 to 2020. The record is that in 2015 the 15,000 of the vehicles were sold out, whereas in the peak year 2022 it was max 37,000, which, which clearly demonstrate a significant surge in customer interest and manufacturing output, both from the side. Geographical distribution of EVs. The adoption of EV verifies significant across different states. States like California and Washington continue to lead in EV registration. The more and more booking and the output from these two states. The market leaders vehicles which manufacture the electronic vehicle. There are few key players which holds the lead. First one, Tesla, more than 60 or 65,000 plus in a single year. Whereas in second, Nissan, Ford, BMW with less than 25,000. Driving policy CAFV eligibility. Clean alternative fuel vehicle eligibility is crucial factor from both the sides, the customer and the second one policymaker, influencing incentives and overall growth market. During the summarizing of EV landscape, our analysis reveals several pivotal trends shaping the EV market in 2024. These insights highlight both successes area and the area which have to be focused in future. First one is growing EV adoption, second one is Tesla's dominance, third CAFV eligibility impact, and the last one momentum from 2020. Strategic implication. Understanding these trends allows us to identify strategic opportunity and challenges with EV ecosystem, focusing on some of the key areas for the future accelerate EV adoption. First one is policy and infrastructure development. Continued investment in charging infrastructure and clear, consistent policy are crucial to support growing EV numbers. The second one is manufacturer diversification, encouraging more manufacturer to enter and compete in EV space as the one is most which is Tesla. Conclusion. Paving the way for a sustainable future. The data from our Power BI dashboard paints a clear picture of a dynamic and rapidly evolving EV market. The consistent growth led by innovative manufacture underscore a collective momentum towards clean energy vehicle. Our next step and recommendation to the EV adoption is we should expand charging infrastructure, especially the government. The second one, simplify CAFB process, which is the policy which are made by the government for the EV. And third one is support emerging manufacturers. The only one of the manufacturer Tesla is doing all the work in it. Driving towards a sustainable future, which should help our government, our nature as well. Thanks for watching.